Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's. Right, Sunday night, late one. Right, did some dodgy repairs on the top of this guard. Oh, it wasn't real good. Should have been a lot better, but we weren't damaging the paint. So there's no painting of that guard, just the inner. So only engine bay is getting done. Right, K-frame's totally finished. Fully welded, fully changed. So these have come in, they were about there, and they've been pushed in. Both sides have been pushed out. So nice and neat. They look very symmetrical now. The K-frame's been notched, and it's all been plated with, I think it's 6mm. It's either 5 or 6. Welding underneath sucks. I hate upside down welding. All these are all TIG welded. So these were trimmed, pie cut, bent, TIGged inside and out. They're all TIGged at about 150 amps, so burnt in nice and tight. The rest of it, that's all just MIG. I'm just welding in the edge of this now. So this has all been done. Let's get a torch. So we filled a bunch of holes in the engine bay. So I didn't do a double plate, I did a single. And then I tacked it all in. So this side will get seam sealed. And it's been fully welded through its spots, and it's all just been cleaned up. So there's no more rust there. Done. Hold on. Let me check in here. I thought it might have been smoking in there. I could hear some heat signatures. So yeah, what I did was I just cleaned all the top up. This side was really good on the top. The other side, the top was really bad, but the base was really good. So this side I've had to remake the whole bottom, and I've got to reuse the top as it was. So very, very lucky there. Yeah. This is how you fix them. You pull them all apart down to their undies, and this is the stuff you do. The K-frame come up really, really good. Like really good. There's a little bit of grinding in the corners where I've gone a little bit spastic down the bottom. Right, wait. Yeah, there we go. So that little corner piece down there and this little corner piece down here, right at the base, I'll do them, and I'll clean it all up with a wire wheel, and then I'll put some black paint on the K-frame itself. Yeah, so 2 full days over the weekend. So Saturday and Sunday. Kev was here most of the day today, so that's good. We got a bunch of stuff done. Tomorrow I will do all this firewall. That's my tomorrow job, and I've got to do a fill-in panel that goes across here. I have to get some the master cylinder bolted on with no booster, and get some seam sealing done in behind there. And yeah, up the top over here, across there. And then this car, next time we see this car, we'll be cutting the tubs out. So this car needs the wheel tubs moved over. Probably they get cut out and they move over from there to about there. So it's only about an inch or two that it moves over. It's not a whole lot. And then we have to move over like the hinge brace and stuff like that. So we've got to do both sides. And there's a little bit of rust in here. So whilst we're there, we'll do that as well. I'll cut it on the seam. I'll add some to it. I'll use my my roller, and I'll roll out some new tubs. Just a small centerpiece. So I think we add about an inch. I don't know if we're cutting into the rail yet. Once we've got the tyres and stuff, we'll sit them under the back and see where they sit. Oh, and there's a set of custom extractors to make, and it's going to be a nice car when it's all finished. But yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I hope your week's amazing.